In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Telegram photos and videos to gallery. To get you started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Telegram on your device and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and head over to the top left corner of your screen, and this will allow you to summon the sidebar on Telegram. Now in here, go ahead and click on the settings button to head over to the settings page. Go ahead and click on data and storage, and in here you'll be able to find the automatic media download. So just enable all of the options under automatic media download along with all the options under save to gallery. Enabling all of this will allow you to download all types of media under this conversations to your local gallery. Once you click on any of this, you can customize it further by selecting what type of media from photos and videos along with the maximum video size to download automatically on your device. And that's how you can simply save Telegram photos and videos to gallery. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.